There we are, up in the mountains. Say hello.
Hi. Hopefully you're having fun. Yes.
Do we have fun?
Yes.
Ha ha. On adventure again.
Yes.
David, say hello.
Hello.
Ha. Do you like the mountains?
Yes.
Yes. Mountains we have.
And mountains have us.
Never stop climbing, never stop going up. Up in the mountains on the trails, finding the chi, finding the energy,
Yes,
going up
energy.
higher and higher, always climbing. We've been here in the mountains for a couple of hours now climbing. It's so wonderful. Never give up. Always be strong. After 1 kilometer of steep climbing, the heroes never give up.
Never.
There we are. We're having a view now. It's all forest, mountain and sky.
Say that you can feel the air coursing through your
You can feel the air crossing through your things or something. That's my son saying.
very good.
And here he is, the hero of the day.
Yes.
And the little ninja. And the great champion. Say hello.
Go.
We fly. Go, go. Fly, fly. Say something.